Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. For that, we will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see here the preview, you can edit the screenshot directly or you can share it with WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now in the editing symbol, you're able to draw something inside here or to highlight something. Or here at the corners, what is very nice, you can crop a part of the screenshot. What is very useful, maybe if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. Now, after you can share this edited part or with the arrow, you will send it to your gallery. Yeah, there's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that you will need the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm and swipe it across the screen. You can do it also from the other side, as you can see, and then you have a screenshot. Pretty nice. And where to find the screenshots after? Of course, here at the gallery, and here at the photos, they are mixed up with the pictures and videos you've done from your camera. But I would recommend to you to always go here to the hamburger menu and on albums, because your screenshots will have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.